Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet. This will be a quick unboxing video, and in this video I will show you another budget automatical mechanical watch that I bought from AliExpress, and I got it yesterday in the mail. But before moving forward, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. First, it's wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my T Winners 1199-4. I will make a full review video on this watch soon. Now let's first open the mail packaging. So as you can see, it's a Benyar's watch. Now let's open the box. The box looks very nice. The packaging is very nice. And in the box, we get a cleaning cloth. Yep, it's marked 1. The marked clean cloth. An unsigned guarantee card, which is of no use. A manual. And then final thing, it's the watch. As you can see, watch is in plastic, so let's first remove it from the plastic. And now this is the first look of the watch. The model number of this watch is BY-5185. By now, many of you must have guessed that this is a homage to Rolex OP. The only additional thing I can see in this watch is the date complication at 3 o'clock. The real Rolex doesn't have one, but I'm not sure whether it's a good thing or not. Let's first remove the plastic. And now here you can see the first look of the watch after removing all the plastic which was wrapped around it. And oh my god, look at this beauty. To my eyes, this watch looks clean and elegant. The hands are very noticeable, and the sweeping seconds hand on the black dials make it an art. Let me know in a comment how it looks to you. According to the manufacturers, the watch has an alloy case, but I must say they have done a really good job in polishing it. It looks like a stainless steel case, but in actual it's an alloy case. And to me, it could be a no to potential buyers, because many of us watch lovers really like stainless steel cases. The stainless steel bracelets gives it astonishing look with durability. The bracelet is brushed from on the top, and from side seems to be polished. The links are held together by push pins, which are very easy to manage. It has double clasp with Benyar name mentioned on it. Now talk about measurements. The diameter of the case is around 39 mm. The distance between two lugs is around 20 mm, which is a standard for Homage watches. And the case thickness is around 11.7 mm. It weighs around 143 grams with supplied bracelet. A Seagull ST6 automatic movement is powering this beauty. I will discuss more about the movement in full detail review video. You can see a glimpse of the movement from the see-through back case. The 100-meter water resistance makes it an everyday wearable watch. So this is all for now. As I mentioned, I will create a full detailed review video on this watch after using it for a few days. Now let's see how it will look on a 6.5 inches wrist. As you can see, I need to remove a few links. which means if you have a big wrist, then you can wear it comfortably. That is all for today. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing video, and be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next video.